fog light. Oh, this is tricolor. Toyota Hilux GRS. So nag-upgrade tayo ng from L1B to bi-LED projector with laser. So this one naka-high beam din po siya sabay ng headlight. So this one is built-in. So dito tayo babawi, palakasin natin. So di pa naka-on yung headlight, fog light only. So look at the output. Ganyan po kalayo, oh. Ilang kalsada na iilawan yan. At the same time, look at the cut-off. Ayan, oh. Below plate number again, para hindi po tayo nakakasilaw. So this one, pwede po natin i-change. Change natin. So this one is the yellow fogs. So ganyan po yung output niyan. Change. Okay, ito yung warm white. So try natin yung high beam. Yan, nag-high beam din po yung fog light. Sabay po sa high beam ng headlight. So yan yung fog light, nag-high beam again. Go, high beam. So yan. Laking bagay po yan, nakita nyo yung laser. So again, sa mga naka-Hilux GRS tricolor, meron po kami warm white, white, and yellow. Solid po to. Thank you.